maximum.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and nandito na naman kami. Kasama ko ang aking Italian husband.
Hi guys! Today, adobo. My favorite, adobo chicken.
Yeah. So ito yung isa sa paborito niyang pagkain nating mga Pilipino. Tong chicken adobo. Yan, chicken adobo. So what can you say about our adobo?
It's my favorite. What I say is sarap.
Sarap. But in Italy, you also have adobo?
I think have, but I don't know the name because it's different calling.
So yon, isa to dun sa mga paborito niyang kainin dito sa atin.
But I think even adobo have. Because many Filipino living in Italy, they if cooking home, maybe the traditional food they cooking by itself, no?
Yon, so meron din dun sa kanila dahil sa mga alam naman natin, marami ding mga Pilipino sa ibang bansa.
Like me, I go in Philippines, buy back spaghetti, Italian spaghetti, pizza spaghetti, my meat. I will show next time.
Kaya, yung meat pala niya, inaantay lang namin pag okay na. Oh, I didn't sign that yet. Okay. So yun, why you find adobo sarap?
Huh?
What do you think the best in adobo? Why you like?
The sauce and how go out the meat. Even the chicken or pork is good tasting, very good.
Yeah, this is sarap. And gaya nga nung nasabi ko dun sa last video namin, na nagluluto din siya ng chicken adobo. Pero ngayon, ito, binili lang namin. Pero masarap ah. Sarap yung pagkakaluto. Kain tayo guys. Harap no?
No,
Harap.
but the one other chicken I taste good. I don't know if it's making from Philippines or what.
What?
But you first you chop all chicken and marinate in onion and what you call that, mayonnaise for 1 hour, and after you cook in oven, it's sarap.
What's that?
Chicken. Even old chicken, you put something inside the chicken, so you clean good, and after you marinate, like under in the onion and pepper, salt, what you want, and mayonnaise, you cover all, put in frigo for 1 hour, 30 minutes. After you take out, you cook. It's sarap. The one I make before. You remember?
Yeah. Sarap. So, you like,
It tastes like this, good taste, but different flavor. But if for me, in this adobo, I will add more ginger in this adobo.
magaling kasi ito magluto. So, which do you prefer more? The chicken adobo or pork adobo?
For helping is more good chicken,
Why?
but for fighting is more good baboy.
Because of cholesterol. Maalam to kapag kain eh.
It's cool restaurant. Oh, start to talk a little in Italian.
Like what?
What you know?
What I know, ciao,
Just that.
tutti, what's that?
I don't know what you want to say.
A tutti, sono,
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 sono.
sono.
I am.
What's that?
Sono.
What's that?
Sono, I am.
I am. Like sono Christine.
Na.
Christina. Yun guys, yun pa. Sa kanila, walang Christine. Christina.
Sono Cristina.
Sono Christina. Tapos, ang ano pa sa kanila, yung pronunciation nila ng C sa atin, it's like che. No?
Ano?
The pronunciation of your C in Italy,
Why?
it's like che,
Why?
not S.
The C,
Mm-mm.
she.
Yeah. She, not like here, like S.
She. Like cazzo. Casa. Home. Casa.
Yun. Casa.
Casa, no casa.
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 Casa. Casa.
Casa. Bahay. No?
Bahay.
How about kain?
Mangia.
Manja. I told chow.
What is chow?
Hello.
And then
Sorry, because in Chinese it's chow. Chow. No?
chow king.
And then what else?
Gelato.
What?
Gelato.
Gelato. Mi amore. No? Mi amore.
Mia puzzola.
What's that? What's that? No, next time siguro guys, nagkaroon ako ng idea. Gagawa kami ng video ng languages. No?
That's
To learn.
your idea. The other way.
To learn the Italian languages.
In funny way. Like my puzzola.
What's that?
My butt smell. My talking is sweet, not offensive. Like in funny way, we try to learning Christine in Italy language, but you know some words in Italiano is possible using in many different way in the talk because depend the situation, the moment, and how when you pronounce something, how in that time need, no? Like scopa. Oh, sorry. Scopa is the brush for clean the floor, the floor. But I need scopa. Okay, you give me one brush, but scopare is two-way. Scopare means cleaning or sex. Yeah, that's why in Italiano maybe it's easy to talk, to start to talk, but of the minimal you will use. That's why Italy is famous in comedy, funny
Yeah.
movie because many talk it's easy to quick to other funny thinking, stupid thinking, something like
Because
that.
in Italy, like, if you will just use one word,
No one. Many is possible use in different way. Depend.
how you pronounce.
No, depend. Inside the talk, like me, you still argument in something, no. And I say one verse, maybe I make you like, what's that? And then you see, like funny way is not the one I say. It's easy because in Italy language you need to know like how to pronounce.
Yeah, yun. So, gagawan din namin yun.
Because easy to getting you, no? Because the verse is very slam, very easy to make funny somewhere in any kind of verse. Depend.
Yeah. So, yun. Kasi ako, actually,
Sorry,
mahirap siyang
like
aralin.
me, when I hear sheep talking Tagalog, some words like near Italiano. But what happened? I'm laughing by myself and she noticed that because I thinking about in Italy
Yeah.
the funny way,
Gaya nung sa last video, guys, nabanggit ko yung patatagalin. Hilap on the patata because in Italy, it's different. Like,
Yeah, but for how I hear patatagalin, it means patata in Italiano is for the little kids, no? Like,
it's the private part.
okay.
the private
Galin
part.
is like chicken. Patata de gallina. Buying that.
Di ba, gaya sa atin, patatas. Like, sa kanila.
Potatoes.
Yeah, potato. But in Tagalog, it's patatas.
In Visaya.
I don't know in Bisaya. Kasi ako, may lahi akong Bisaya, pero hindi ako marunong mag-Bisaya. Tapos, ang na-notice ko pa, what I also notice, your gestures, no? In Italy. Like, mostly in your gestures, you're using hands. Like this. Unlike in the Philippines, like, mostly is the face. Like, something
like a
that.
monkey. That's why so many video American guys making my wife looks like monkey. They go,
Yeah, yun pa. Ang pinagkaiba natin sa mga Italian, sa kanila, yung, alam mo yung expression, reaction nila kahit habang
like
nagsasalita.
this, like what you mean? What?
Yeah. More on hand gesture sila. Tayo kasi, di ba? Kapag more on face. Like, sometimes when you ask me something, where is that? And I will tell like, there.
Yeah.
So, yun. Okay, natapos na siya. Nauna na naman siya sa akin kasi madami akong kuda. So, yun nga. Next time, siguro gagawan namin yun. Yung para matuto din tayong magsalita ng Italian. Kasi kahit ako, konti pa lang yung alam ko. As in words. Words pa lang, pero hindi pa marami. So, see you again next time, guys. And thank you again for watching our kulitan while eating. And now is the adobo. So, don't forget to like and subscribe our video so that you can get more updates and you can view more on our videos we're making. So, bye guys, and thank you again. So, please.
You can also share this video. Why? You know why? Because in Italy, follow. It's different. I just say follow us. Follow. And follow us.